Hi friends, welcome to Dot Mandala class 3. In class 3 we will make a bookmark. So I am going to use these colors here today. And these are my mandala tools. So first here we will do marking. First we need to find out our midpoint. So I am finding out my midpoint. So here is the midpoint. Now we will do marking from this point. Make a small semicircle like this. Now increase the distance of your compass little bit and draw one more circle. Similarly, we will draw more semicircle in this way. Like this, we have drawn the semicircles. Now we will find out the same size tool. So this tool is small, so I am taking the other tool which is match with this circle. Yeah, this tool is fine, so I will use this tool. To make a semicircle dot, we will use a rough sheet like this. Take color in your tool and make a dot like this. So in this way we can make a semicircle dot without creating any mess. Now we will make green dots with the help of needle tool. So start from the between as I told you in previous videos. Just observe carefully, you will get the idea. Now orange dot, we will make orange dot in between of green dots. So there is little space in orange dots, so we will add detailing here with yellow color dots. So first measure the tool size before doing any detailing. Here we will use one big size tool to make these dots. So here I have drawn random circles, so I am checking here which tool I should use to make next dots. Yeah, this tool is fine for the next dots. So here I am using coral red color to make dots. This is my favorite color. So here I will add some detailing with white color like this. Dip your tool in color only one time to get different size of dots like this. So we will make this kind of flower shape on this red color dot. So with the same tool with different color we will add one more layer of dots like this. I am using same tool but different color here, and here I am adding one more detailing like this. Again we will add big orange dots like this. So here we will add detailing with same tool. Here I am using yellow color. Same technique, dip your tool only one time in color. If this step is not clear to you, you can check my Dot Mandala class 1. In class 1 video, I have nicely explained how to make this kind of flower. So in similar way, by using only one tool, I have added many layers here, red, yellow, green. So many layers in this way you can add. So after completing these steps, we will change our tool. So here we will make a dot pattern here. First make 4 dots like this, same size dots. Then without taking any color in your tool, draw dots. So in this way we will draw this pattern. Again make 4 dots like this. Then in this way we will draw this shape. If your dots are not clear and you need to correct them, so use your tool from opposite side or use a small tool as I am doing. So observe carefully, then you will get the idea. Now we will add different color dots in same way. First make green color dots, 3 dots, and then give a shape of leaf like this. As many as layers of color you want to use, you can do as I am doing. Just make some random dots to make it more beautiful, or draw some more design here. So in this way we will make some dot patterns like this with different colors. So dot mandala is very easy art, just we need to do practice, and concentration is very important in this art. If your steps are not clear, so do watch my previous video, definitely you will be able to do. We can add more detailing like this, but we need to check first which tool is okay to do detailing. Now let it dry. Now we will add one more color dots here. So this time we will use small tools. So for these steps we need different tools and different colors. The important thing is only this, we need to choose a right tool here. In this way we will add different color dot here. So bookmark is complete now and I am loving it. Hope you liked it too. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.